Hi everyone. Today I'll give you a short room tour of Infosys Mysuru ECE. So we'll have a share room of 2. In the share room, we'll get 2 big cupboards. In the cupboard, we'll have a safety locker. We can use this locker for storing gold or any other valuable items. This much big cupboard we'll get. And in the room we also have a TV where we can only see regional languages, and in other blocks they'll have smart TVs where we can connect our mobile phones and see YouTube and watch movies. And here, ignore our stuff. Here we'll have cupboards. We have 2 study chairs. Provide us a kettle, 2 cups, 2 spoons and 2 tumblers. Here we can find some of the rules. Like in these rules, we'll find timings of food courts and what are the rules that are to be followed. And let me show you the view from our room. We can open this. Ow. See the view. Wow. And we only have a fan, and we also have AC in our rooms. We can on this. We can on. And there's a clock. The best part about ECC is every day they come to clean and they arrange a bed, and weekly once they change the bed sheets and pillow covers. If you want to bring your own blankets, you can bring. Otherwise, they'll change blankets every week, and they also change pillow covers. We also have cupboards here. Every day they'll clean the room. We also have landline here. We can call if we can use this telephone if we have any issue with fans, lights, anything. And we have a 6-feet mirror. Now I'll show you the washroom. In the washroom also we'll have a mirror. Here they provide a bucket and mug. There is no need to carry bucket and mug. Also have a shoe rack. Here we need to place our key. Now I'll tell you some of the rules to be followed. Like we can bring pickles and some of the snacks to ECC, but the container should be either steel or permanent plastic. We can't bring temporary plastic boxes or temporary plastic bottles to the campus. Like we'll have Kenley water bottle or use and throw water bottles. We can't bring the use and throw bottles into the campus, and plastic is totally prohibited. And in the scanning, in the first day of scanning, if we bring an iron box or electric devices, they'll catch you, and those are not allowed. We should not bring iron boxes. And some of the other rules are socket box, like sockets, switch box, extension box are not allowed. And many of you are asking about the accommodation provided, is it free or not? Yes, accommodation is provided by Infosys only, but every month 3,500 is deducted from our salary. So maybe they provide accommodation, but we are paying for the accommodation. And food, we should buy our own food with our own money, and we should eat. Like we'll have food courts, we'll have many food courts. We should buy food and we should eat every day. Food is not free. Accommodation, they just provide, we're paying for them. If you want to bring your blankets, you can bring. Otherwise, these blankets they provided will be very clean. They change every day. You can use them. If you want to reduce your luggage, you don't need to bring your blankets. There's an important thing to carry. You should bring your umbrella and sweater. Sweater is must. Like Bangalore, Mysuru, weather is unpredictable. It may be somewhere in the morning and it may rain in the afternoon, and it'll be so cool at night. So bring your sweaters. it's better you carry sweaters and you should carry umbrella. It may rain anytime. Sometimes it will rain only during when we come to ECC, like evening. So carry your umbrellas. If you have any doubts, you can comment me down. I will answer your doubts. And do follow my channel. Please support me. Thank you for watching and share my video. If any of your friends are joining Infosys, this will help them. Thank you for watching.